I've just dropped £700 collectively at like Homebase, IKEA and Amazon, and I actually like low-key feel sick. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually bringing to you a very exciting video which I'm very excited to make. So I kind of need to give you guys a little bit of an update before I start this video because I've not talked about this anywhere else on my channel. So I'm currently sitting in my brother's old bedroom. So he actually doesn't live here anymore. He moved out like 2 years ago. He now lives in Doncaster with his girlfriend. He's got his own house, and essentially this has been a spare room for the past 2 years, but it is actually a lot, like a much bigger room than my bedroom is currently. And obviously because of everything going on, I'm not heading back to uni for another few weeks, maybe not until like mid-Feb, end of Feb, who knows at this point. And my 21st birthday is in a few weeks. So my mum said to me the other day, do you want to move in to the spare bedroom and like, you know, you can buy your own furniture and make it your own and all that kind of stuff. And I honestly love this room. I absolutely love the view out the window. Honestly, I've been busy picking out furniture and sort of deciding how I want to design this room. And I'm now at a point where I need to deep clean, and I basically need to deep clean this room and declutter my old bedroom so that I'm ready to move all the stuff into here. So that is essentially what this video is going to be. It's going to be a huge wardrobe and room declutter, ready to move into this room. I am actually going to have a lot more storage in this room because I'm buying a huge chest of drawers, and I'm going to buy some more storage for the bottom of my wardrobe so that I will have more room to sort of store my things, because honestly I've just got so much, so I've got so many clothes and I have nowhere to put them. So yes, that's what I'm going to be doing, and I'm very excited about it. Basically what we're doing today. So first things first, I need to clean this bedroom. So first things first, I just quickly want to show you what the room looks like before. So there was like loads of boxes in here that my mum was using as storage because it's a spare room, and obviously we can't have guests at the moment, so it wasn't really being used as a spare room. It was just being used as like a dump things room. So it's not that clean, but just like have a vision. This is what the room actually looks like, but I'm not going to have any of the, literally none of this furniture is the furniture that I'm going to have. I've ordered completely new furniture, and that piano is going to go in my old room. But yeah, this is what we're currently working with, and my goal for today is to basically just clean it and just get it ready to put new stuff in. Okay guys, little update. I have now hoovered the room. It is all clean. However, I now need to start the process of transferring my clothes from my wardrobe to this wardrobe. But I also figure as I go, I'm going to sort them out and just declutter and like donate a few bits. And because I have so many clothes, I don't wear like 90% of the clothes that I own. So I'm going to sort through them and sort through my wardrobe and make sure it's all nice and organised. And yeah, that's pretty much what I'm going to do now. I've actually, just a little side note though, I took a fat 2-hour break and I've just ordered all of the furniture for my room. I've just spent, in one sitting, I've just spent £700 and I feel a bit sick. To be fair, I have been putting money aside for this. I've just dropped £700 collectively at like Homebase, IKEA and Amazon, and I actually like low-key feel sick. Like, oh, it's just a lot of money, isn't it? But, you know, it's fine. I feel like, you know, I have been saving up for this, but I just feel like, you know, when you drop that much money on something you've been saving up for, and it just feels like, oh, do you know what I mean? But it is very exciting, and I'm very excited to move in here and make it my own. So yeah, I'm very excited. I've also picked out the prints that I'm going to be using in this room. So obviously with my university room, my theme was kind of like grey, pink and copper. But that's not the theme I'm going for in this room. I've kind of decided in this room I want it to be a lot more like adult. I don't really know, I want to use a better word for that, but I want it to be more like adulty, and that's a really bad word, but in the sense that like, I don't know, I want like a black and white grey theme, and I think I'm gonna have like a few pops of yellow. So I've picked out this really cute duvet set that's got like little bumblebees on it. It's really sweet. And I've obviously already got all my grey like throws and things in Nottingham, so when I'm eventually asked to go back and get that, I will, and then that will really tie the whole room together. But yeah, I'm gonna pick out, I've picked out a load of prints. They're so different to the prints from my university room as well, so I'm really excited to sort of, I don't know, go for a different vibe in here, I guess. I feel like the last prints, I absolutely love the prints I went for before, but I just feel like I want to go for something different, do you know what I mean? So I've also gone for like black frames. I'm really annoyed with myself for picking copper frames last time, only because like now I can't really use them in this room unless I buy new frames for them, which could be an option, and then maybe I could use them. But it's just annoying. I'm still going to keep the copper frames because I might want them one day, you know, when I move out in like my flat, I might be able to find a use for them. But yeah, that's kind of the plan. So now I'm gonna start sorting my wardrobe and putting stuff in there. I've also bought like loads of storage for inside my wardrobe, so when that comes, that's gonna be really cool. But anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm just really excited about my little room transformation. So yeah, exciting. What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world. So I'm slowly getting there, and I'm trying to organise my wardrobe into actual sections. So I've got jumpers over here, I've got just like normal tops here, jeans, blazers and jackets, and then dresses on this side. And actually I do actually store a load of my clothes up here normally, which is why it's so messy. Yeah, so I just thought I'd bring them down and make sure they're all organised. And then this is actually going to take me quite a while, so I'm just going to get cracking. I've got all these clothes to put away and I've still got everything in my wardrobe, so it's really going to take a while, but I will. I'm also watching Glee. I feel like this makes me so nostalgic. It is so cold. I am so cold. Oh my god, can we talk about how much my skin has actually cleared up? Like, I don't know if you guys remember, but I actually used to have really bad skin like half a year ago. Like, I was getting spots left, right and centre, but that's literally not spots, that's just scars from my spots that I had before. I haven't got a single, well actually no, that's a spot. I've got one spot on my face, but I barely have any spots at the moment. It's actually insane. And I think the thing that's actually made the biggest difference, you know, is not drinking cow's milk. Like, I stopped drinking cow's milk in maybe like July or August this year, and like, not gonna lie, it was like quite an adjustment, but like now I'm so used to drinking it and my skin is just so much better, and like I just feel so much less lethargic. And I've noticed that whenever I drink cow's milk now, I always feel so lethargic during the day, which, if that isn't proof that we're not meant to drink cow's milk, I don't know what is. I need to start sorting out my drawers. Now, I do actually have some like organisers arriving in like the next hour or so. But essentially I need to clean out my drawers and organise them, because I am just going to be moving one of my Alex drawers, which is just here. That's one of my Alex drawers there. I am essentially just going to be moving them into the next room as part of like my new desk. But like, they have so much shit in them, like they are so messy. Honestly, I don't even know what I've got 99.9% of the time, because it's just not organised at all. So essentially what I'm going to spend the next 15-20 minutes doing is just going through the drawers and sorting them into like little piles, so that when all the organisers come I can just put them away. I did actually go to Aldi today with my dad, and I picked up one of these, which is actually to organise kitchen utensils, so like forks, knives, spoons, all that kind of thing. But I thought that this would fit perfectly in my Alex drawer, and I could put makeup brushes in it. That was the main thing I thought, because I have so many, and like I don't really want to put them in like a cup and put them, I don't really want to put them in like a little jar and display them, to be honest with you, only because like I don't have a dressing table, I have a desk, and I just don't really want to look at my makeup brushes all the time. So I thought, why don't I get this, and then I can just put it in one of my drawers and it will just be all stored away and it won't look messy, which I'm very excited about. So yeah, I'm going to sort that now, and then I'm going to start organising everything into piles, so that when my organisers come I can literally just put them away and just not think about it. Okay, so just really quickly before I start organising everything, all of the plastic, acrylic acrylic organisers have just arrived, which I'm quite happy about. All of the organisers just came. They're all like different sizes. So I've got some that are like this, some smaller ones, like a massive one. I think I'm gonna put my sunglasses in there. But yeah, I've got so many things to organise myself with, which I'm very excited about. And I'm gonna show you a little before and after, because honestly, they do be looking gross. Just as I was saying that, my other order from Amazon came, and I'm going to quickly show you what I got. So as I said in one of the last clips, I'm also ordering a chest of drawers, and I wanted to organise myself Mrs. Hinch style. And so I've got some of those like foldable things you put inside a chest of drawers, but I literally can't use these yet. I won't use these until they arrive in like a week or two time. So they're going to be put aside for now. But I have also got some jewellery organisers. Now I'll show you what they look like when I like properly go through my things. But essentially I was really like torn because I need some storage for my jewellery, because I have so much jewellery and nowhere to like properly put it and like look after it. But I didn't want a jewellery box because I just think they look quite messy sometimes. I don't know. I haven't found like a jewellery box that I love, so I thought I'd get some inserts that I can just put in my drawers and they'll look really neat, and I'll be able to see everything once I just pull out my drawers. So I've got these, and I will show you them in a bit once I sort through everything. So this is the befores. Before, there's gonna be, oh my god, these are just some rogue lashes. How lovely. And I'm sure there's gonna be an amazing after in about 2 seconds time. Okay, so here is where I'm at with the jewellery trays. I've just put my little necklaces in these, my rings, although they look really weird, so I might go through those in a bit. I've got some random pieces in here, my watches and my biggest hoop earrings, which just do not fit anywhere. And I've got some things in here as well. I've also got 3 more of them, so I know that like over time, as I get more jewellery, I will have places to put things, which is obviously really good. But I'm really happy with how this looks. I'm glad there's lots of space as well, because it means I'll have lots more room to put more stuff as I sort of get more stuff over time. And then in here I've got all my makeup, so it looks so much neater now, which I'm so happy about. So I've got my setting spray here, which literally just didn't fit anywhere. By the way, the Iconic setting spray is amazing. Wait, it looks really rubbish. It's like the Iconic shimmer one. It looks amazing. So I've got my primers, eyelash glue, eyeliner, all the like random bits in there, foundations and eyebrow gel, not sure why, concealers and contour stick, powders, blush, I've got lipsticks there, my beauty blenders there, my tweezers, random eyelashes and some more random bits in here. And then in the next drawer, I've got makeup brushes, palettes, also don't even ask why they're so manky. And then I've got all of my eyelashes in the back. So yes, it's all looking very neat. I honestly already feel so much better. Okay, so now I actually need to go through the rest of my wardrobe. I'm going to show you how much I've got left and how much I need to transport into the other wardrobe. Although bear in mind I am going to have a chest of drawers, so I don't want to like put everything away, because I know that not everything is going to go into my wardrobe. But this is what I've got left currently going on. So not tons and tons of stuff. I still need to go through those drawers. They're going to stress me out. But I've also got like loads of stuff just shoved up there, which I really need to sort through. And I'll just quickly show you what's in the other room. Okay, so they are all the clothes that I've chosen to donate. And then in here are the clothes that I've so far put away. So what I've done is I've put jumpers on this side and like loungewear sets. Then I've got tops, like smarter tops that I hang up here. The majority of my tops I will fold because they're not like smart shirts or anything. And this is just fallen off the hanger. Love my life. Why am I like this? Okay, I'm gonna have to sort that out in a minute. I've got jeans, flannel shirts, my blazers, and then I've got dresses on that side. So I've actually ordered like a shoe rack to go there, so I'll be able to properly display my shoes and my bags and stuff. But that's not here yet, so I can't obviously put those away. But yes. Okay, so this is editing Ella, and I completely forgot to round up this video, so I'm going to round it up now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you'd like a notification every time I upload a new video. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, my handle is @ella.houghton. Follow me on there for all the most up-to-date information on what is going on in my life, and follow me on TikTok. My handle is @ella.houghton and the last O is a 0. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!